Okay, we're back. So now we're gonna check your activity, okay? Did you finish?
Yes, teacher, pero unas no les entendí. ¿Qué hace?
Okay, don't worry. Vamos a ver. Well, for the first one, we already answered it. And we have, do you have any brothers or sisters, right? Do you have any brothers or sisters? And the answer in here was, I have one sister, but any brothers. What do you think goes here? ¿Qué va aquí?
Don't have.
I don't have.
Very good. I don't have any brothers. And the next question, it says, you any children?
Do you
Have any children?
any children?
have? Very good. Do you have any children? And the answer is?
I do.
Yes, I do. Very good. Yes, I do. I, 3 sons and a daughter. I what?
I have.
I have 3 sons and a daughter, Annie. She, a son and a daughter. She what?
Have.
She has. She has a son and a daughter. And 2 of my sons, 2 children each. 2 of my sons what? Have. Very good. 2 of my sons have 2 children each. Charlie, 2 sons. Charlie what?
Has.
Charlie has, very good. Charlie has 2 sons and Andy 2 daughters.
Has.
And Andy has 2 daughters, very good. And your sister, she any children?
Does she?
Do she?
Does she, very good. Does she have any children? And the answer is yes. Maggie, a son and a daughter too.
She have.
Suppose she has any children.
Maggie has. Because Maggie is the same as she and I already have it. Maggie has a son and a daughter too.
Teacher, en la de arriba es does she have?
Does she have any children? Porque tenemos aquí el she, entonces para she usamos does. Remember that. Okay. It says in here, complete the questions using the verb to be or does, do you have in this case because, well, no, it could also be does. Let's see, vamos a ver. The first one, it's already answered and it says, are you married? Now we're talking about a cell phone. What do you think is the question here?
Do you have a cell?
Do you have a cell phone? Very good. Do you have a cell phone? Number 3, it says your classroom. We're talking about a classroom. A classroom is a thing. So a TV, what is the question here?
Do you have a TV on your classroom?
Could be do you have, but we're talking about the classroom. So does your classroom, does your classroom have a TV? Okay, number 4, it says your teacher, American. So it's the same as the previous one. We're talking about somebody else. So the question is,
Does your teacher is American?
Does your teacher American? American is a nationality. So we are Mexican, for example. Now we're talking about American. So how do I make this question? Remember, ser o estar. What am I going to use?
Is.
Is your teacher American? Because I cannot mix in one sentence more than one auxiliary verb. Saying does your teacher is American, it is not correct. I have to choose just one. And in this case, the verb to be, because I'm talking about that this person is American. So I'm asking, is your teacher American? Okay, number 5 says, usually early or late for class. We're talking also about something that we can be. So, usually early or late for class. What am I going to use here?
Are you?
Exactly. Are you usually early or late for class? Very good. Number 6 says, an agenda with you? Now I'm talking about possessions. An agenda is a thing. So,
Do you have?
Do you have?
we have. Very good. Do you have an agenda with you? Number 7 says cold. So we're talking about the way we feel, the way we are. So,
Are you cold?
are you cold? Very good. Are you cold? Number 8 says, your brother 20 or 22, 21, sorry. We're talking about age. So, number
Is your brother
is
20
your
or
brother.
21?
Excellent. Is your brother 20 or 21? Number 9, it says Wi-Fi.
Do you do your home? No. Do your home have?
Keep thinking, keep thinking. Sigan intentando. Hablo de pertenencia también aquí. Entonces, sí, voy a usar un auxiliar que no es el verb to be. Pero, ¿cuál es el correcto?
Does
your home?
Does your home. Ajá. Does your home. Does your home. Y luego me faltó el auxiliar. Does your home have Wi-Fi? Does your home have Wi-Fi? And the last one, number 10, says the keys in your bag. Hablamos de nuevo de pertenencia. So, no, never mind. Could be both. A ver, ¿quién me puede dar 2 ejemplos? Uno con el verb to be y uno con el have. Hola, amor.
Sería, do you have your keys in your bag?
Do you have your keys?
Se me traba.
Do you have your keys? Or do you have the keys in your bag? O pudiera ser como con el verb to be.
are
Are the keys.
Are the keys in your bag?
Very good. Muy bien. Entonces, notice the difference between using the verb to be and using do you have or does you have. Utilizo el have o do you have or does you have para hablar sobre las pertenencias de alguien o algo, right? Y utilizo el verb to be para hablar sobre el estado de alguien o la edad o, pues sí, ser o estar, o sea, el estado de alguien, cómo está, cómo, dónde está, etc. Okay, is it clear this exercise? ¿Sí? Muy bien. Bueno, con esto vamos a terminar entonces. I have already taken attendance. Ya tomé asistencia, ya terminamos el ejercicio. Cualquier persona, por favor, que tenga alguna duda, en los próximos minutos, a la 1, yo voy a subir todo lo que tengo que subir. Entonces, por favor, antes de la 1 se reportan conmigo. Y pues, that's it. Nos vemos la próxima semana. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye.
Hi, teacher.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Hi, teacher.